Bosch dishwashers have 3 different types of resets to solve various problems. Understanding when and how to use each type can save you time and prevent unnecessary service calls. The soft reset is the gentlest option and should be your first choice for minor issues. It clears the current wash cycle and resolves small glitches without affecting your saved settings. The soft reset process takes only 30 to 60 seconds and resolves most minor operational issues like unresponsive controls or cycle interruptions. When a soft reset doesn't work, the hard reset or power cycle is your next option. This completely restarts the dishwasher system and resolves 70 to 80% of common operational issues. The hard reset is highly effective, resolving 70 to 80% of persistent error codes and system freezes. This method is particularly useful after power outages or when the control panel becomes unresponsive. The factory reset is the most comprehensive option, returning your dishwasher to its original manufacturer settings. However, this should only be used for persistent malfunctions or before selling your appliance. Choose your reset type based on the severity of the problem. Start with a soft reset for minor issues, use a hard reset for persistent errors, and only use a factory reset for major malfunctions or before transferring ownership of the appliance. Now, we'll walk through the specific steps to perform a factory reset on your Bosch dishwasher. The exact method depends on which model series you have. There are 3 main reset procedures based on your dishwasher model. Traditional control models use physical buttons, touch control models use capacitive buttons, and smart models can be reset through the Home Connect app. Let's start with Series 300 through 800 models that have traditional physical buttons. These are the most common Bosch dishwashers in homes today. For traditional control models, locate the Start button and the On/Off button on your control panel. You'll need to press and hold both buttons simultaneously. Hold both buttons for exactly 3 seconds. You'll know you're doing it correctly when all the indicator lights on the panel illuminate at once. When all lights illuminate, release the buttons and wait. The dishwasher will automatically complete a reset cycle, which typically takes 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's look at the procedure for Series 800 and higher models with touch controls. These models have a different button combination. For touch control models, start by pressing the power button to turn off the dishwasher completely. Then locate the Eco and Speed Perfect buttons. Hold the Eco and Speed Perfect buttons for 5 seconds. Then, while continuing to hold these buttons, press the power button to turn the unit back on. Continue holding all 3 buttons until the display shows 001. This indicates the factory reset has been initiated successfully. Finally, let's cover the Home Connect Smart models, which offer the most convenient reset method through the mobile app. Smart dishwashers with Home Connect technology offer the easiest reset method. Simply open the Home Connect app on your smartphone and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Factory Reset option in the Settings menu. The app will guide you through the process with clear on-screen prompts. After initiating the reset in the app, you'll need to confirm the action on your dishwasher's control panel. This 2-step confirmation prevents accidental resets. Before performing any factory reset, remember to document your custom settings, as they will be erased. Also, try a soft reset or hard reset first, as factory resets should only be used when other methods fail. These factory reset procedures will restore your Bosch dishwasher to its original settings, resolving most persistent issues and preparing it for optimal performance.